Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to schedule messages on Telegram using your Android device. To get started, open the Telegram app and select the chat where you want to schedule a message. Type the message you want to send, but don't tap the send button yet. Instead, press and hold the send button until additional options appear. Tap schedule message, then choose the date and time you want the message to be sent. After selecting your preferred schedule, tap the send button to confirm. Your message will remain in the chat as a scheduled message until the selected date and time. If you need to make changes before it's sent, tap the scheduled message to edit, reschedule, send it immediately, or delete it. And that's it, you've successfully scheduled a message on Telegram. Happy watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.